Our Computex 2019 coverage is made possible thanks to Corsair, Patriot, EK, Titra and Viper Gaming.
Hey everyone, Andy Raffel from eTeknix.com, and I've officially found the biggest memory stick in the world. Just kidding. Basically what Thermaltake have got here, and this is just a big version of it, is the ToughRAM RGB. For sheer scale, here's one. So essentially what we've got here is a new set of memory modules that feature some amazing lighting effects. As we come over here, you can actually see these and kind of see what's going on. It has 10 individually addressed RGB LEDs. And it has, of course, your usual 16.8 million colours. Now, the unique thing about this is actually the design. What they've done with the heat spreaders kind of actually made it so it resembles the Thermaltake logo. Now, obviously, being Thermaltake RGB, it has got its full suite of software that you can control all of these sort of colours, the lighting modes. So if we stick it on RGB Spectrum, you can see everything changes over and starts doing that. Of course, it does have your usual support that you'd expect from Thermaltake products, such as going through the TT RGB Plus software, also syncs up with Razer Chroma, and also will have full support across a variety of different motherboard manufacturers' RGB software as well, so you can synchronize it with your motherboard, graphics card, and so forth. Obviously, as time goes on, there are going to be sort of other features developed into it, such as Alexa support, so you'll be able to get kind of full support of controlling your system, controlling the memory as well through Amazon Echo. Some of the other thing that you actually get in the software, which is brand new software by the way, if you go to information, is you can see a little bit of information about the actual memory itself. So what kind of load we're getting on the memory, how much memory it's using. Obviously if we had some Chrome tabs open right now, that would be well up there. Temperature of the memory, what frequency it's running at, what capacity we've got in there, the cache latency, lots of information about the modules themselves. As we go to lighting, as I say, there's all the usual lighting effects that you'd expect, and then there's some notifications as well. So if, for instance, you wanted it to go a certain color when the memory got to a certain temperature, you'd be able to do that all through the setting notifications. Now, in terms of specs on this memory, we're looking at 3 different speeds, so 3000, 3200 and 3600 megahertz, and they're going to be coming in 16 gig kits and 32 gig kits. So we're looking at 2x8 and then obviously 4 sticks as well. Pricing wise, they're still kind of trying to finalize that at the moment. I believe they're hoping to ship this around July time, but pricing should be about 120 to 130 US dollars for the 2x8 gig modules. So there you go everyone. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know exactly what to do, and I will see you in the next one, and be sure to check out the rest of our coverage from Computex. See you later. Bye bye.